Susan, and I want to talk about a couple serious things today. Winter is a very tough time on a house. So home ownership really takes on kind of a new way of thinking during the winter months. First of all, we talked a little bit earlier about preparing your home for winter. That was taking your hoses off of the spigots, but let's go a couple of different directions here. First of all, everyone who owns a home should know where your water shutoff valve is. Extremely important. Whether it be a burst water pipe, whether it be a leak in your house, you need to be able to get there and get there quickly. It's a good idea to tie a ribbon on it. Some of your water service providers actually have little cards that you can hang on it. But let's make sure that we're thinking about coaching everyone in our household that if there's an emergency, they know how to get down there, shut the water off completely to the home. As it gets colder and colder in the winter time, you're going to feel some drafts underneath your sinks, by your faucets. Really, those areas can cause that quick breeze, and that's what causes water pipes to break. A couple other things when we're talking about winter. Making sure that your driveway doesn't have your discharge of your sump pump or sump pump line so that you're causing some kind of water freeze up area, either on your foundation, next to your foundation, on your concrete driveway, so on and so forth. Let's make sure if your discharge is not buried underground, that goes on your spring list of things to do to get your house ready and in the best working order. Now, I'm standing here in front of a furnace. Furnace, air conditioning units, clean them twice a year, have them checked, get on a maintenance system. It really does save you money. But what we're going to talk about is really the safety of furnaces running in our houses. Having a carbon monoxide detector. They're as cheap as $11 on up, depending on what kind of system you choose to use. But for $25, you can get a plug-in with battery backup. Invest in it. Give it to a family, friends, somebody for Christmas. Put it in as a stocking stuffer. This is a really, really important part of making sure that your house is safe. As you have any questions that relates to home maintenance, Google them, go online, ask us direct. We'll pretty much be able to coach you through some of the things that we've had experiences through. But we want to make sure that your house in the winter time is a safe place and that your maintenance fees can be shortened or decreased by just prevention. Thanks.